Hey class, some of the assignments and the pause and practices require you to download like a file from the library. I just wanted to show everyone how to do it. So I'm logged into the class, January 2023. You see all the chapters. And on top is the library. So I'm just going to click library. You're going to find your book, which is this one, Excel. So we're going to click on the book. And then we're going to click on the chapter. Chapter 4 is where a student had a question. So this is why I'm just doing chapter 4. So I'm going to go chapter 4. And then resources. And here, of course, I'm the instructor. That's why I have some of these things. But they were asking for the pause and practice data files. And there's actually project data files in here too if you need to download any. So you would click on it. The file would download. It's a zip file. It's opening on my other screen, which I'll bring it over in a second. Here we go. So I'm just going to double click on the file, and these are what you need for the pause and practice. Hope this helps everybody.